Our needles are crafted from premium 316L stainless steel imported from Japan. Each one undergoes 3 rounds of microscopic inspection, hardness testing, and a second manual selection. Built with an advanced integrated manufacturing process, every component is precisely aligned and assembled with 0 human deviation. This high-precision automation ensures consistent needle length, uniform tip aperture, and stable ink flow, giving artists smoother lines, better pigment saturation, and enhanced control with every stroke. Every cartridge is EO-gas processed and sealed in an individual blister pack, clean, secure, and ready for use. Our patented ink reservoir design ensures smooth and steady ink flow, with no backflow and no cross-contamination, keeping every session precise and safe. Compatible with 99% of tattoo pens on the market, it connects effortlessly and performs flawlessly. If you won't compromise, choose Neebol. Upgrade to tools made for precision, backed by our 100% guarantee.